Hello, this is my first video speaking in English. Please understand my English is not very perfect. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the temperature unit from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. This car is 2010 Genesis 4.6 liter engine. After I disconnect the negative battery, then the temperature unit is gonna be automatically set to Fahrenheit. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Depending on the model and year, it is a little bit different. Some different car use the off button and AC button. Some different car use AC button, auto button, all different. But you better to see this one for now. Look at this. This car right now, temperature unit is on Celsius. I'm gonna hold down dual and mode together. Oh, can you see my finger? You see it's changed to Fahrenheit. Let me hold down again. Dual button and mode button together. 1, 2, 3. Hold down, and you see Fahrenheit to Celsius changed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? My YouTube channel is mostly made in Korean, but now I'm gonna start to make in English as well. So please subscribe me and thumbs up. Let me keep putting on the video. Thank you for watching.